And now the last table would be for creating the cash flow chart. So let's copy this heading like this. And Control R, so the dates are same. Here we're gonna type sales collection or cash inflow, payments, OCF, bottom line. The bottom line is for the creating up down arrows. That is the third series in the column chart. I'll explain you why we're going to use that and how we're going to use that. Now here we're going to get max OCF and min OCF. Now sales, you can link it here, monthly sale, Control R. Collection, you need to go, or basically it's a cash inflow in our case. So go back to cash flow and select this value, that is M110 divided by 1000. Control R. And for the payments, go to new business sheet, our main model, and select this value, cash outflow, that is M138 divided by 1000. And for OCF, again we need to go back to our new business sheet and select this particular cell, M154, that is operating cash flow or cash flow from operation, divided by 1000. And the bottom line is 0. I'll explain you why we need this particular value 0 and this particular series in the chart when we prepare this chart. Now max OCF, min OCF will be same, so we're gonna use if with max. Oops, better spell it right. Max, enter OCF range like this, that is equal to current month OCF, give current month, otherwise 0. Control R, formatting. So $22,000 was the highest OCF in month of Feb in entire year. Similarly for mean OCF, instead of this value, we need to select the original value like this, press enter, and instead of max, let's put min, enter, Control R. So the minimum OCF in entire year was in January, obviously because we are starting in this particular month, our new business. So the OCF was the lowest in the January 20. So the backup data for preparing all our charts and entire dashboard is ready here. And from next lecture onwards, we'll be building each chart one by one. If you have any questions, please let me know in the Q&A section below. Thank you so much for watching.